Hello guys! Welcome to Libra Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Bring Tarot Reader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Love reading to guys. Kung gusto mo ng reading na nakakoncentrate sa career, Libra career. Ayan, nakalagay naman yun sa title, no? Pero yung almost daily natin is love talaga. Yan. Pa-comment na lang sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita yun ng malaking suporta. Ayan. And ginaganahan ako mag-reading pag may mga nagko-comment. Wait lang guys. Medyo hindi lang ako mapakali pag may something. Yan. Anyway. Parang may nakita kasi akong buhok. Ayan. Inaayos ko kasi para instead na dun ako sa buhok na tingin. Of course, sa mga crystal ako titingin din. May mga message din minsan na nagpapakita dyan. You do have the Fool, the Four of Cups, and the Two of Wands. Ayan. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Queen of Coins is here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So, nakikita natin pagdating sa person na nakakonect mo. I don't know kung ikaw ba yung person na ito nakakonect mo, meron kayong plano? Or, kung hindi man, pwedeng ongoing yung plano, or hindi natuloy. Alin man doon. Especially with the Fool, this is you, na willing ka mag-take ng risk, gusto mong isakatuparan itong plano na ito. But with the Four of Cups sa ngayon, parang hindi ka na sigurado. Matutuloy pa ba itong plano namin? Pwedeng ganun. And the Queen of Coins is here. So this is you. You are very stable person. Magaling kang sa money. Magaling kang maggawa ng, pera. Magaling kang mag-handle ng finances. Magaling ka rin sa I don't know, maybe you are a practical person. Yan. And the Ten of Pentacles, this is showing us money, no? And yung person na nakikita natin kakonect mo, pwedeng may dealing kayo na naganap or nagaganap regarding sa pera. Kaya lang nga, sa ngayon, parang hindi ka na sigurado regarding dito. And not only sa person na ito, but with regards sa mga plano mo or mga bagay na nilakad mo regarding sa pera. Maybe documents or something to do with yung iba maybe loan or pagbili ng something or may parang energy na parang hindi na ako sure kung gagawin ko pa ba ito. Maybe it's a malaking hakbang, no? So, sabi ko nga, pwedeng medyo ito yung bagay na hindi pwedeng basta-basta na laang gawain, no? So, may pagpaplano dito. Anyway, sino tong person nakakonect ni Libra? Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Isang shuffle na lang. Okay, thank you, Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Libra, please. For the sign of Libra. Queen of Coins, yan. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, diba? Pakita na sa atin itong person na ito. Or yung Queen of Coins. So, lumabas ito sa main energy naman ng person mo. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako. Pagpasensya mo na yung inom ko ng inom kasi talaga ako. Inom ako ng inom, especially ngayon medyo mainit ngayon. So, talagang inom ako ng inom. The Star and the Three of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. So, some of you, yan, especially with the Eight of Swords, ito, nagka-clarify na ito, you could be dealing with a person who is in a relationship or, yan, this is signifying as a third-party situation. And with the Star, pwedeng pwedeng you do like this person, gusto mo siya. Kaya lang, I don't know, but it is showing here na pwedeng itong person na ito ay stuck sa relasyon or sa connection. At, the Eight of Swords, yan. And, the High Priestess, yung iba sa inyo, ito yung side mo, ha? Ito yung side mo. Take only what resonates. The High Priestess is someone na malaki, mataas ang kanyang spiritual knowledge, malakas ang kanyang, and this could be a soulmate connection. And ito is showing to me as, yung nasa likod ha, the Queen of Coins, there's this glass window here. It is showing to me as like a synastry, okay, or natal chart. So, pwedeng itong person na ito is nasa natal chart mo. If you are into astrology, pwedeng minsan mo nang tinignan yung natal chart niya. Okay? Or vice versa. Pwedeng siya, minsan niya na tinignan yung natal chart mo and sinabi niya sa'yo yung tungkol sa ganito ganyan. Maybe something to do with astrology. Or maybe, this is a very spiritual person. Pwedeng isa sa pinagkakakitaan niya or minsan ng pinagkakitaan niya yung may kinalaman sa religion or spiritual something, spiritual stuff. So pwedeng nagbenta na siya ng accessory na may kinalaman sa religion or whatsoever. Okay lang kahit hindi. Because the way I see this card, medyo spiritual lang yung naramdaman ko doon. Ngayon, since nandun tayo sa spiritual, this could be a spiritual connection talaga. Okay, and pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi man sigurado ka na sa person na ito, or sa plano ninyo, pwedeng hindi ka na sigurado kung mahal ka pa ng person na ito. Parang ganun. So, take only what resonates. Oh, I can see two people. I can see two people in the connection. So, pwedeng dalawa yung kakonect mo or may isa pang person sa side. If you are dealing with two people, pwedeng hindi ka na sigurado sa love na ito ng person mo kung mahal ka pa niya, or hindi ka na rin sigurado na nasa sa harapan mo ngayon. Like, do I still love this person in front of me? Pwedeng ganon. Pagdating naman sa kanya, mahal niya pa ba ako? Ganon yung nakikita natin. Pagdating sa kaharap mo, mahal ko pa ba tong taong to? Gusto ko pa ba tong taong to? Parang nagkakaroon ka na ng, especially with the Fool, yung the Fool dito, mas nagpapakita sa akin yung mascara, or parang, this Fool is wearing a makeup. This Fool is wearing anong tawag dito? Yung painting sa muka ni Joker. And to me, it is showing us pagiging tawag dito. Medyo nawawala-wala ako sa words. I don't know why. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe nanonood ka pero naantok ka na or what. Yeah, medyo nawawala talaga ako sa words ko ngayon. Anyway, some of you do have a lot of options and pwedeng hindi ka na sigurado sa person na yung nahahawakan mo ngayon, na nakakasama mo or kakonect mo ngayon. And ito person na to, parang hindi ka naman na sure kung may emotions pa ba siya for you. Anyway, ano yung connection? What is the connection all about? Situation and or connection ninyo ng person na ito. You do have your I like you, so the snake, Also, okay, there's competition. May competition sa connection ninyo. Sorry, medyo nadidistract ako. Parang may mga dumadaang langgam kasi dito sa aking table. Okay. So, anyway, hayaan mo na yon. Pag natsyempohan ko, pisitin ko na lang. Anyway, you do have the snake. So, there's another woman or man in the connection. Ayan o, look over your shoulder, the other woman. And, you do have your I like you. Both of you, nakikita natin na gusto nyo yung isa't isa. Or maybe gusto ninyo ng, you want to date, you want to flirt with each other. Maybe you want to talk. Pero hindi pwedeng mangyari agad-agad or hindi posible. Kasi the snake is here. Okay, kung wala ito, posible yun, pwede yun eh. Okay? Ngayon, nakakita tayo with the Cupid's arrow. Ayan o, may hesitation. Hesitation is at here, at the bottom. So, may kita mo, may pag-aalinlangan. Kakausapin ko ba siya? I-chat ko ba siya? Tatawagan ko ba siya? Kasi may nakikita mo yung snake eh. Kumbaga, literal, kapag ikaw ay naglakad sa woods, no? Or sa jungle or whatever, tapos may mga ahas, alam mo may mga ahas, hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta magmabilis ng kailangan mo mag-ingat, 'di ba? Hindi ka pwedeng lumakad sa isang lugar or sa isang lakarin or sa path kung saan alam mong may ahas or hindi mo sure kung nakatingin ba yung ahas or nag-aabang yung ahas. So, katulad din ito ng connection ninyo na hindi kayo basta-basta pwedeng mag-take ng actions kasi may ahas. 'Di ba? Especially, you do have your wedding rings. So, it is like, hindi lang basta ahas, no? Pwedeng may marriage pang involved. Okay? So, it's like, maybe you want to talk to this person, pero hindi pwede kasi, siya eh, pwedeng may bantay sarado, alam mo yon. So, it's not possible. So, anyway. Kuha tayo ng cards pa. Pagpasensyahan na yung upuan ko. Medyo maingay talaga yung upuan ko, guys. You do have your I'm a jealous person. They are waiting for you. I am manifesting you. Yan. So, at the bottom of the deck, now is not the time. Yun na nga, nagkakaroon ng pause sa connection ninyo, but you are manifesting this person. Ikaw ito, nakikita natin. Ito naman person, ito medyo naguguluhan din ako ha. Gusto niya rin na mag-take ka ng actions. And hindi particular kung anong action. Maybe this person just want to talk. Kahit hindi may kinalaman sa love or whatever, pwedeng regarding sa plano mo or plano ninyo. Gusto niyang ikaw yung mag-initiate ng action, mga musta, etc. Pero, yun nga, with the I'm a very jealous person, ito ay pertaining to the snake. Ito ay may kinalaman doon sa snake. Whether literal na pwedeng magselos yung snake na yon, yung person na yon, or ikaw yung nag-iisip na baka magselos yung person mo. So, kailangan ko mag-ingat talaga. They are waiting for you. Pero yung waiting na stage na ito is coming from both of you. It is on the middle. So, nasa gitna siya, in between you and this person, may paghihintay. Kaya lang, now is not the time. Okay? Tell me more. Pwede kang hindi makarelate, guys, sa mga sinasabi ko. Pag hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong pilitin, ha? Kasi hindi naman talaga ito para sa lahat. Ayan, no? And for the sign of Libra, please, for the sign of Libra. You do have here, I want you to choose. I hope you'll wait for me. Guys, pareho kayo na parang nag-aasam or nag-expect or gusto ninyo na maghintay. You know, gusto mong maghintay siya sa'yo and gusto mo rin naman na hinihintay ka niya. Pwedeng ganon. And, or vice versa. You do have here, I worry about us a lot. Ayan. So, this is also coming in between dito sa connection ninyo kasi itong last card ang for you. You do have your Ace of Wand. Okay? So, the way I see this, kung makikita mo, there's number 1 and number 1. And at the bottom of the deck is the I'm ready. And this is number 0. Ayan. If you would notice, yung number 0 and I'm ready is also the full. Dahil ang number ng the full ay also 0. Ayan. 0 din ang number niya. And when you say I'm ready, yung the full kasi is the card wherein parang ready siya mag-take ng actions, ready siyang tumalon. Okay, with the I'm ready, maybe, and with the Ace of Wands, nakikita natin na nandun yung gusto mo at I feel like you're also ready dito sa connection na ito. Kaya lang may pag-aalala. May pag-aalala. And guess what? You do have here the Ace of Cup. Ace of Cup na sumunod. This is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Tatlong 1 na to, oh. This is angel number 111. Okay? 111. Ngayon, etong person na ito might be, gusto niyang mamili ka, or kung sa side niya ito, pwedeng gusto niyang mamili, pero hindi kasi din niya alam, dahil pwedeng, katulad niya na nasa gitna nga na itong I worry about us a lot, so pareho kayong may pag-aalala sa connection na ito, no? Now, pareho ninyong gustong magkaroon ng growth sa connection. There's this number 3. Number 3 is about growth. But, I feel like kung may mga choices, either yung person na ito, pwedeng mamimili ako. Ito this could be your person talking. Mamimili ako, kung siya yung may choices dito, mamimili ako once na nakita ko kung ano yung actions mo papunta sa akin. Kasi hindi pwedeng i-disregard ko itong taong to or alisan ko itong taong to and then I will be hanging. Medyo weird sa person na yun. Ayaw niya na aalisan yung person niya na hindi siya sigurado na magtutuloy yung sa inyo. Okay? So, you do have I dream about you a lot. And etong number 15, sex. And I am addicted to you. Yan. Dalawang number 15 yan. Both of you are thinking about it. Actually, tatlo. Number 15, number 15, and number 15. So, I don't know if you are born or yung birthday ninyo ay nasa 15. Something to do with number 15. Anyway, sa nakikita natin dito, pwedeng minsan na kayo na-obsess sa isa't isa, nagkaisipan sa isa't isa to the point na nagkapanaginipan pa, no? And both of you are having sexual desires or ang tawag dito, pag-i-imagine na nangyayari sa inyo ng person na ito sexually. And messages in the future for the sign of Libra. Messages in the future for the sign of Libra. Will you choose me? Oh, diba? I told you. Whoever itong may choices. Kung ito yung person na ito. And maybe kung ikaw ay may choices din, this person wants you to choose. Diba? Gusto niya mamili ka din. Lalo na pwedeng may choices ka din with the Two of Wands. Pero kung wala naman, I feel like itong person na to nga, yung question niya ng pagpili has something to do with kung ano yung gagawain mo regarding sa connection na ito. Okay? Nakadepende sa action mo. And guess what, guys? You do have your number 15 na naman. I am obsessed with your body. And it is color black ulit. No? And I don't know, something to do with black. Maybe you love to wear black, you love color black, you know, maybe favorite color mo yon, favorite color ng person mo, I don't know. But there's something to do with black. And kasi isa pa, nagpakita na naman dito. I want to get you drunk. And it is also number 15. So sabi ko nga, si number 15 lagi nagpapakita. Sa kapal ng cards na ito, guys. At napakadalang din naman dito ng mga number 15 at yung may black na yan. Number 15 is always showing. So, I don't know kung talagang may meaning sa'yo yung number 15. Anyway, I just dream and wish for everything. So, yung everything na yon is like, for the both of you, sabi ko nga pwedeng, this is messages in the future. Nandun yung pagkakagusto pa rin ninyo sa isa't isa. And pagiging obsessed. Especially, I just want you all the time. So, there's obsession in between the two of you. In the future, I just want space. Pero may isa sa inyo, nakikita natin medyo umiiwas, lumalayo. And bakit? Kasi kailangan niya ng time. Please give me time. I've never felt this way before. So, dito sa reading na ito, nakikita natin na obsessed kayo sa isa't isa ng person na ito. There's maybe a spiritual connection. And more on spiritual. Wala tayong nakikitang action. Okay? Last card na lang for you. Especially sa future, you do have your talking. Clarify the talking, please. Healthy choices. Making healthy choices in love and in life. Self-love, self-care, being happier. Sunglasses and love call. So, ito ay actually pertaining to choices na gagawin ninyo in the future. Nasa sa inyo pa rin. You do have your talking. Pwede naman kayo magkaroon ng pag-uusap. But with the healthy choices, yung nakikita ko dito is more on choices. Ano ang pipiliin niyo sa connection nito? Mag-stalk na lang with the sunglasses or love call, mag-usap na lang. Pero sa nakikita natin kasi pareho ninyong gusto makipag-usap. Kailangan lang aksyonan yun. Pareho kasi kayo nagiging mabagal with the both. Okay? Regarding dito sa communication nito. You do have your lightning. So, ano kailangan gawin doon sa pagiging mabagal na yun? Kailangan lagyan ng transformation. Kung gusto mo talaga na magkaroon ng pagbabago, kung gusto mo talagang may sakatuparan itong connection nito, kailangan gumawa ng action. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.